Hello, creators. Today we're covering 4 of my top 8 AI-powered tips for thumbnail design. Every YouTuber with a massive viewership knows the secret to attracting viewers is not amazing videos or incredible stunts or even hilarious entertainment. It's eye-stopping, finger-clicking thumbnails. Those little picture previews that are like movie posters. AI tools help you elevate your thumbnail's clickable appeal, getting you more video views, which takes your channel growth to the next level. Okay, grab your favorite beverage. Let's dive into 4 expertly cool tips to create AI-powered thumbnails that will get you viewers faster than you can say thumbnail power. Tip number 1. This is the most important tip of today. It's the biggest takeaway. Create in-depth text prompts. Why is that so important? Because text prompts are the magic behind AI generators. My favorite AI image generator is Midjourney, which I think of like a genie, but instead of granting wishes from your words, it grants wishes from your fingertips, often creating images you couldn't even imagine those words could evoke. The trick to this AI genie is to give it detailed instructions, because sometimes a word like pizza can turn into a disco ball, and happy cat might become a cat wearing a tiny top hat making mice jump through hoops at a circus. Tip number 2, become a master prompter. Here are 6 ways. The first, act like a film director. Don't just say, draw a cat. Tell Midjourney to craft a grumpy Persian cat wearing a tiny sombrero, perched on a stack of overflowing taco boxes with a single tear rolling down his cheek because he can't eat them all. The more details, the better your AI genie will understand your vision. The second is spice up your words. Don't be timid. Be abundant with adjectives instead of blue sky. Say azure expanse with fluffy cotton candy clouds. Instead of happy, say ecstatic, radiating sunshine vibes. Instead of a forest, try a mystical bioluminescent forest. Words like glowing, majestic, cartoonish can really set the mood and style. And Midjourney thrives on colorful descriptions. So unleash your inner thesaurus or keep one at hand. The third is to reference the style. Do you want your image to look like a classic painting? Well, tell Midjourney to create a thumbnail in the style of maybe Van Gogh, but with cats instead of sunflowers, because obviously. You can throw in specific details like thick brushstrokes or dreamy color palette. You can also use specific artists or art movements for an extra dose of artistic flair. The fourth is to think of emojis as your friends. Maybe you're running out of words. Emojis can be surprisingly helpful. Add a camera emoji for a photorealistic image. Throw in a spooky ghost emoji if you're craving a dark and mysterious vibe. Midjourney does understand these little visual clues surprisingly well. The fifth is to embrace weird. AI loves a good challenge, so don't be afraid to combine wacky concepts and things that don't really go together, like a disco ball piñata bursting open over a surprise herd of cows. Who knows? That might be the thumbnail that brings you the most viewers and subscribers. And the 6th way is to iterate to innovate. AI works best with repetition and little tweaks, so don't expect perfection on the first try. Iterate to make Midjourney more creative. For example, if the cat's sombrero looks more like a beret, well, tell it to make the hat more Mexican. Refine your prompts. Have fun. The key is to be clear, colorful, and a little bit playful. The best prompts are a fun mix of direct instructions in depth and creative freedom. With practice, you'll be a master prompter. Tip number 3, create thumbnails with a vibe. Describe your channel's vibe in a few words. Think quirky cat reviews or Zen gardening masterclass. When creating your thumbnail art, Midjourney will churn out click-worthy thumbnails with your YouTube channel's vibe. Start with keyword clarity. Midjourney thrives on clear descriptions. Before diving in, brainstorm keywords that encapsulate your channel's vibe and your video's essence. Funny, dramatic, educational. Throw them all in if that's what it is. Now, craft your Midjourney prompt. Start with \imagine, followed by a cinematic still, and then describe the scene you want. Channel your vibe energy. Use words that evoke the feeling you want your viewers to have. For example, a chill music tutorial like a 30-year-old 1950s jazz lover lost in a world of sound, headphones on, surrounded by records, images of famous jazz musicians like Charlie Parker, and magically glowing instruments that relate to the cool jazz she's listening to. Next, refine, refine, refine. Midjourney generates 4 images based on your prompt, but don't settle for the first. Look for options that capture your vibe perfectly. Maybe it's vibrant colors for a high-energy video or mysterious lighting for a deep dive. Import your chosen thumbnail into Photoshop or your favorite editing software that has AI, and add your own flair. Text, overlays, and adjustment can elevate your thumbnail from good to great. Found a vibe that works? Consistency is key. Use Midjourney to create variations on the theme for future videos. Think of it like a signature style that instantly tells viewers they're in for your unique vibe territory. Tip number 4, color karma for clicks. Picking the right colors for your thumbnails is so much easier with AI color palette generators that feed on the emotional and spiritual vibes you give it. For example, banish the beige. Your thumbnails can be a visual feast, not a bowl of oatmeal. Ditch those default blues and tired yellows. Use AI to generate a color palette that's as unique and electrifying as your content. Next is color psychology. Did you know that colors influence emotions? Well, you can leverage AI to create thumbnails that use color psychology to your advantage. From calming blues for meditation videos to fiery oranges for hot takes, AI can turn you into a color maestro, urging viewers to click that thumbnail that speaks to their soul. Try what every top creator does. Steal from the best, but make it your own. Find successful YouTubers in your niche and use their color palette for inspiration. Then feed those colors into Midjourney and let the AI turn them into something fresh and unique. It's like having your own secret color remixer on call. Sometimes, though, the most eye-catching thumbnails defy expectations. Use AI to generate unexpected color combinations, stealth punk or rainbow goth. You might surprise yourself and your viewers with a color combo that breaks the mold. But remember, like peanut butter and pickles, not every clash is a good clash, so use your best judgment. Now, you have 4 powerful ways to use AI to create unique, clickable thumbnails for your YouTube channel. Leverage these tips to attract more viewers and grow your channel faster than ever before. But we've only tackled half of my top tips for AI-powered clickable thumbnails. In the next video, I'm going to uncover 4 more mind-blowing tips to elevate your thumbnails with the help of AI. If you found this video helpful, well, let me know in the comments below. Maybe tell me if you'll be trying out Midjourney or Canva's AI tools and which one you're most excited about. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using AI to boost your YouTube channel. I'm Sherry Barbera, your AI YouTube coach. Thanks for watching. Happy creating thumbnails, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, guys.
To learn more, subscribe, okay?